If your GE top-load washer is not draining, making unusual noises, or leaving your clothes soaking wet, the drain pump could be the culprit. I'm William with AppliancePartsPros.com, and today I'll guide you through how to test and replace it. Don't worry if this is your first time working on an appliance. It's easier than you might think. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Let's start by getting our tools together. For today's work, we'll need a 1/4 inch nut driver, a 3/8 inch nut driver, a multimeter, a putty knife, and pliers. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your washer by unplugging it or switching off the breaker unless testing for live voltage. Grab your 1/4 inch nut driver and remove the screws securing the console to the back panel. Rotate the console forward. Locate the red wire with the black stripe and the black wire on the 10-pin connector. Plug in the power cord and grab your multimeter. Extreme care should always be taken to protect against electrical shock, which could potentially result in serious injury. Please do not test live voltage if you are uncomfortable using a multimeter around live voltage. Set your meter to volts AC, indicated by a V with a squiggly line. Set the washer to the drain and spin mode, then test from the red wire with black stripe to the black wire. You should see 120 volts AC. If voltage is not present, the main control has failed. If voltage is present, like we see here, continue troubleshooting. If you'd like to learn more about using a multimeter, we've put together a comprehensive tutorial. Check out the link in the description for step-by-step guidance. Unplug the power cord and grab your putty knife. Use the putty knife to release the front panel tabs, located about 3 to 4 inches from each corner. Rotate the front panel forward, lift it up, and set it to the side. Here's a quick tip. If your washer's drain hose exits the frame at the bottom, you can use it to drain the water out. Just place the other end of the drain hose into a bucket that's lower than the tub. Grab your pliers and remove the hoses from the drain pump. Check for any clogs that might be preventing the water from draining. If there is a clog, clear it. If there is no clog and the main control tested good, like we see here, the drain pump has failed. Since we found the drain pump has failed, let me show you how to replace it. Grab your 3/8 inch nut driver and remove the screws securing the drain pump to the frame. Here's the old drain pump and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Secure the new drain pump to the frame using the 3/8 inch screws that you removed earlier. Reconnect the hoses and secure them with the retainers. Set the front panel down onto the bottom hooks, then rotate it into the washer to lock it in place. Rotate the console back into position. Secure the console with the screws you removed at the beginning. We're plugging the power supply cord in, and with that, we're done. Great job getting your GE washer draining smoothly again. We'd love for you to share your experience in the comments below. And if you need a replacement drain pump or any other parts, just have your model number handy and visit AppliancePartsPros.com. Most orders arrive within just a couple of days. Thanks for letting us be a part of your repair journey. We're here to support you, and we'll see you on your next do-it-yourself project.